Hi, it's always a pleasure to have you here, and if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and on this channel I take you through step-by-step tutorial on CorelDraw. So if you don't want to miss any of my future uploads, kindly click on the red button below to subscribe to this channel. Without any further ado, today we are going to look at how to create round text effects in CorelDraw. So what you are seeing right on your screen is what I call the round text effect. Okay, so we will look at how to create this using CorelDraw. So all you need to do, once you launch your CorelDraw like this, you come to the left hand side of your screen. What we have here is tools box. So under this tools box, you have to locate ellipse tool. So your ellipse tool is right here. So if you can't find it here, so all you need to do, you click on this little box here. Once you click on it, this other option will come up. So you will see ellipse tool. So you click on it and draw a perfect circle. All right, the perfect circle will be will come up only when you hold down your control key. All right, so once you hold down your control key, you'll be able to have a perfect circle like this. So your perfect circle will be right here, so you can leave it here. Let me reduce it a little bit because it looks too big. So so now the next thing you are going to do, we are going to type a text that we are going to fit the path or to the path of this circle. So come here and grab the text tool and start typing. So I prefer a word like round. Okay, let's use the word round. So give it a bold font. If you want to change the font, give it a bold font so that you can see. Then the next thing you are going to do, click on the text right on your menu bar, click on text and then click on fit text to path. Then you can now choose where you want to place it. So I'm comfortable here. All I need to do is to click, right? So it's over there. So the next thing you are going to do, if you look closely, you can see we have anchor points over here, here. So once you click it again, you will have the rotational anchor point. So as you can see, we have the rotational one. All you need to do is to click on this little box here, this little circle here, and drag it all the way to the center of this big one. So you drag it to the center of this big circle, right, and leave it just right there. Then you come up to this anchor, the rotational anchor point, this particular one, and click and drag to the side while holding down your control key, right? So once you are comfortable with where you want to place it, you right click on it immediately like this to have a duplicate. As you can see, we have two. So once that is done, if you have it like this, the next thing you are going to do, press Ctrl R on your keyboard to have more duplicates like this. Ctrl R, as you can see, we were able to have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 okay, duplicates. So now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to select everything and right click on it and break it apart. So break it apart. So my object is 9, so yours can be 20, so it doesn't really matter. All you need to do, just break it apart. All right, then click this circle and take it out. We don't need it anymore, so you can delete it. Okay, you can delete it because we don't need it anymore. So now so you need to select everything that you have here and click on it and click on this. As you can see, we have anchor point again, so you need to click on it again to have the rotational one, because the rotational one is what we actually need. So click on it and then hold down your shift key and drag it to your desired or preferred area. All right, so I prefer something like this. I think I'm comfortable with this. So just once that is done, right click on it immediately to have a duplicate again. All right, so once you have something like this, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to press Ctrl R like we did earlier to have so many duplicates like this. Ctrl R, as you can see, we have more duplicates. Okay, as you can see, if you want to add more, just continue with Ctrl R. Ctrl R will give you so many duplicates. All right, so this is how you create round text effects in CorelDraw. So go ahead and try, and then if you have any issue in getting it done, drop me a comment under the comment section and I will be very happy to respond. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.